Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Monday, September 30th. Uh, Today we got just one item here on the economic calendar, and that is the Chicago PMI. This is the manufacturing in the Chicago region, and as you can see here, we're teetering on the verge of contraction at 50.4 because anything at 50 and above is expansion. Anything below, which as you can see fell below into contraction period. Uh, Area at 47.1 in September. So obviously not too great in the manufacturing. Still struggling a little bit, but we'll keep our eyes on it. But in the Chicago region, it looks like we see some contraction happening in September here. Let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up so far this morning. There was an announcement this morning based on a report last week by Bloomberg that the Trump administration was potentially looking at ways to prevent Chinese companies listing on our exchanges here, and so that way to limit any U.S. investments going overseas into China. And they came out and said that there are no plans for preventing Chinese companies being listed on the U.S. Exchanges here. So that kind of eased investors' concerns, and things are looking a little bit better so far this morning in terms of stocks trading in positive territory. So let's see how this is playing on the bond market. And bond market's up a little bit. We're up about 5 basis points and trying to fight above the 50-day moving average and the 25. So we got the double layer of resistance here that pretty strong, but we'll see if we can have enough there to break above it. As we can see here, looks like we have a slight improvement here in our stochastic chart here. So we might have that improvement where we could break above it a little bit. Same thing with the Treasury. Treasury is down a little bit. We're up. We're up about 1 point from last Friday. We're at 1.68 versus 1.67 that we closed on Friday here. Same thing. This is trying to stay above this 25-day moving average, but it could drop a little bit further as we can see potential crossover here. All right, so right now mortgage-backed securities are the same. We haven't changed yet, but that could change if we have a breakout, and we're kind of getting this pattern where if we could break above that 25 and 50-day moving average on the mortgage-backed securities, this week we could see that break much further one way or the other. So it could also as you can see here, we do got, whoops, sorry about that. As you can see here, we got a lot of room to fall until we hit the next level of support, which is the 100-day moving average. So again, we do need to be cautious here. All right, so that's pretty much a wrap. If you guys are looking to buy or refinance here in California, I am a mortgage planner here with Pinnacle Home Loans. I can help you guys out with a wide variety of loan programs, and we offer quite a few different solutions for a lot of different scenarios. So feel free to contact me at my email address, or go ahead and just direct message me on the where you found this video. All right, you guys, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.